So, you've been investing with Raiz, and now you're wondering, can I actually withdraw my hard-earned super from this platform? Well, let's dive into that question and clear up any confusion. Understanding superannuation. Before we delve into Raiz specifically, let's quickly recap what superannuation is. In Australia, it's essentially a compulsory savings scheme designed to provide financial security during retirement. Your employer contributes a percentage of your income to your super account, and you might also make personal contributions. Raiz and superannuation. Now, how does Raiz fit into this picture? Raiz is a popular micro-investing platform that allows you to invest small amounts of money regularly. While it's a fantastic tool for building wealth over the long term, it's not primarily designed for accessing your superannuation early. Can you withdraw super from Raiz? Raiz doesn't operate as a traditional superannuation fund. It's more like a general investment account. So, you can't withdraw your superannuation from Raiz in the same way you would from a super fund. However, there's a workaround. While you can't directly withdraw super from Raiz, there's a potential workaround involving your super fund. Transfer your super to Raiz. Eligibility. You'll need to meet certain eligibility criteria, which often involves being under a certain age and having a self-managed super fund, SMSF. Process. You'll need to transfer your super from your existing fund to your SMSF. Then, you can invest your super funds through your SMSF on the Raiz platform. Early release of super. Government schemes, in specific circumstances, like financial hardship or buying your first home, you might be eligible for early release of your superannuation. Process. You'll need to apply through the Australian Taxation Office, ATO, and meet specific eligibility criteria. Once approved, you can access your released super funds and use them as you wish, including investing through Raiz. Important considerations. Early super access. Early access to superannuation often comes with significant tax implications and potential penalties. Financial advice. Before making any major decisions about your superannuation, it's crucial to seek professional financial advice. Long-term perspective. While Raiz is a great tool for investing, it's generally best to keep your superannuation in a dedicated super fund for long-term growth. While you can't directly withdraw super from Raiz, there are potential strategies to access your superannuation and invest it through the platform. However, it's essential to weigh the pros and cons and consider the potential tax implications and long-term financial impact. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.